Bro, those fucking emoji cats are still not banned. Like, I don't want to see those fucking do-any old kid making this shit. And they're still not banned. Like, what the fuck, YouTube? You still not banned them? Literally, emoji cat are shit ass. Why the fuck won't they get banned? I am done seeing those shit. Let me put on my crown. Let me say that number blocks and country balls and tomato and chicken gun are the best. Thank you for watching.